I just got another shipment of things in for the next show I'm doing and also for the website. And I'm so super excited. Let me show you this one. I got a whole box of these. This is Kimber Basics by Maywood. And look at these beautiful colors. I'll try to get the shine off there. You've got all the lovely pastels for spring that we are all hoping for. So I can't wait to sew this up. And like I said, I got a whole bunch, so you'll see those probably coming soon. Next is, I've been doing some work with this book, Salvage, Save the Salvages. Have some really cool projects that I've been doing some of. And I'll show you that soon. But I've got a bunch of those. Can't wait. I always have a lot of my these Sassy Totes because they're so great, and I sell a lot of them because they're just so wonderful. Next to my sewing machine. I have some more Trangles on a roll. I was worried I wasn't going to be able to get these in time for the show, so I'm really happy I got them. And they are the 3-inch Trangles on a roll. Love those. I've got some samples of those. More than I'm making and others I've done in the past. Again with laser cuts. Wait till you see. I'm going to be doing a video on one of these very soon. And these are awesome gifts and wall hangings. So I'll be showing those soon. More of the perfect scissors because those are just, this is my favorite size of scissors. Well, I like all of the sizes, but this one's a great size because it's a medium size and it goes, it's good for small cutting, large cutting next to your sewing machine, for snipping. These are great. Okay, this is a new one I can't wait to use. It is an art bin. I love these bins, and they come out with different sizes and different ways to use them. This one I love because I don't have it yet. They have all these smaller bins that are going to fit inside of this bin, and they all have lids, so I can't wait to do that. And when I get that put together, I'll do another video on this too. But these are just the previews to kind of show you. But you can see in the picture, everything is going to fit right in that bin in these, and it's going to be great for my small sewing space here in Florida because I don't have much room to sew. I have just a spare bedroom. A lot of you know how that is, and I have to be able to put things away quickly when we have people who are going to be coming to stay. So this is going to be where I'm going to put all my notions and all my little things so that they're easy to close it up, put it away, and when guests are gone, I get to pull my sewing machine out, pull out all my notions, open back up again. So that's another way I'm going to organize that room. So those are the new goodies for now. Just thought you'd like to see it.